Daniel Manduku and the people of Nyarivan Masava are working tomorrow. I have released a program, and if you look at that program, there's no room for strike. My program is comprehensive, that I'm working for the people who send me to Parliament. Don't forget that I'm a patron of the National Government CDF. And so I must make sure that it is well disbursed, well supervised, and that it is, at the end of the day, people will judge me by that. Here in Nyarivan Masava constituency, we are farmers. We are small business people. We are not going to be on strike. We are not going to be on Maandamano. Even if I ask my people here, none of them is interested in coming for Maandamano. Ask them. Oh, listen, you've heard for yourself. If you've gone to school, and you will understand the factors that lead to cost of living. You will also understand that this is a historical problem. You will understand that we overborrowed. I sit on the Committee on Public Debt, and I know that this year we have set aside a budget of 1.6 trillion for what we call CFS, Consolidated Fund Services. These are first charge to the economy. And you'll understand this money was borrowed mostly in the last 5 years. What we are doing now is paying for the sins that we committed 5 years ago. Had we been prudent 5 years ago, then we would not be where we are today. And to me, and from where I sit, most of this money was stolen. We need to be told, where did 5 trillion shillings go to? What did it do? Because that kind of money can have a very big impact to everyone's life. From the time that Uhuru Kenyatta took over to the time he left, he borrowed more than 7 trillion shillings. Where is that money? That's where we are paying for our sins of the past. We've got a very big bloated wage bill. And even this money, when it was borrowed, it was not put into factors that produce. You know, we must have an honest conversation. Where did the rain start beating us? And we must be candid. So, if I put a sufuria on my head and go around the street, will I help my people?